Hello, my dear students. This is Fatale sir, and I once again I welcome you back in my YouTube channel. In the last video, we were discussed about action verb, and it has two types: transitive verb and intransitive verb. So today we are going to discuss the rest of the topics remaining, that is linking verb and auxiliary verb. So without wasting time, let's begin. So now what is linking verb? A linking verb that connect a noun or pronoun or adjective to the subject that describe or talks about. So examples of linking verbs can be include like is, am, was, were, are, shall, be and will be. Now here the example is he was hungry. Now you can see here the linking verb connect. The linking verbs means what? It's connect. It called copular verbs as well. C O P U L A R, or notional verbs, we can say that notional, N O T I O N A L, notional verb. Now linking verb means what? It links to another, means the subject to its predicate, means subject is linking to the predicate. Now see here, he was hungry. So how he was hungry? Means subject is connected to the predicate but does not express any kind of action, and this is known as linking verb. Yeah, linking verbs link to the subject to be the subject complement. This is subject, this is subject, and this is subject complement. We will take more example beyond this example. For example, she is a dancer. She is a dancer. Or the food looks good. So in this sentence the linking verb is concept that subject to be the complement, that is dancer or answer. And in the second sentence the linking verb look connect to be the subject to description as given. How is it? Good. So in the both sentence the verb do not express any action. Means linking verb that connect the subject with a word that given the information about the subject, such as the condition or relationship. They do not have to show any action and they simply link to the subject with the rest of the sentence. For example, they are a problem. They are a problem. This is sentence now. Now the word are is linking verb and that connect to the subject they. And problem. This problem to show that the relation between they and are. They are a problem. Means the common linking verbs are, just I told you in the previous slide as well, am, is, are, was, were, being, been, these are. We will take one more example. The tomato smells rotten. The tomato smells rotten. Or the professor is absolute sure. The professor is absolutely sure. Means in these two sentences, just I have underlined is and smell. So the linking verb, they are all the whatever they are all have an example which I given to you is being, state of being. In fact, we could replace the verb smell and get instead with the verb is, and the meaning would be remain its same. In this linking verb, it has the 5 sense worked as well: feel, look, smell, sound and taste. So it's state of being also: act, grow, stay, appear, prove, turns. Means the linking verb is an finite verb which does not indicate any action, rather the describe the subject itself. It create an link between the subject and the rest of the sentence. Means what? We are going to take one more examples regarding it so you can understand. Alberto was a great philosopher. So Alberto means is the subject and was is a linking verb. It given, this is subject complement. Means subject has related the two different things between how was he great philosopher is known as linking verb. So linking verbs tell us what the subject is by the link to the subject of the noun or adjective in the predicate part of the sentence. And helping verb that helps the main verb, and it always comes before the main verb. Now see here linking verb: subject, linking verbs and complement. This is the structure actually. Subject, linking verbs and complement sentence. He is monster, we can say that. Now how is he? Who is he? Monster. Means subject and whatever the linking verbs after it comes subject complement. It's purak, we can say in Hindi as well. In the second sentence also you can, he looks stunning. So it describes the relation. How he is look? Stunning. Now these are the some verb, linking verb and helping verb. See, these are the form linking verb, form of being verbs and helping verb it is. Now linking verb is usually followed by the noun or the adjective. Here you can see here, they are excited. So they are excited. Subject, linking verb and complementary sentence. And they are traveling, subject, then helping verbs and main verb, it is there in the main. I am going to explain you how to find out the helping verbs as well. I hope you are able to find out the linking verbs. It's very simple. Now helping verbs help us the main verbs to describe an action. An action happens in the past, or it will be happen in the present. It will be happen in the present, or will be happen in the futures as well. Now helping verbs work together with an main verb. See here, subject it is there, then helping verb it is there, and main verb it is there. Mean in the helping verb it is very essential there should be a main verb. See, I have it is a word helping verb, and there should be main verb it is there. Now see here, the helping verb, be verbs, have verbs, and do verbs. Am, is, are, was, were, being, been, and will be. These are the be verbs. And have, has, had, having, and will have. And do verbs are do, does, did. It is to help to express the tense and mood and voice as well. So in the tense, you can see here how to find out. There is main verb it is there, and helping verb it is there in the helping verb. How to find out? Here it is helping verbs as well as main verb. Helping verb as well as main verbs. You can easily find out in the sentence what is helping verb. Now difference between linking verb and helping verb. So you can see here linking verbs are the main verb in the sentence. This is main verb. Linking verb is main verb only, and in the helping verb, the helping verbs are not the main verbs in the sentence. There should be not there is not helping verb is as a main verb play as a vital role. So linking verbs are always followed by the subject to the complement. Just I told you, subject plus linking verbs as a subject complement. And in the helping verbs are often followed by the principal verb. It is there. I'll give an examples one more so you can understand. So linking verbs link the subject and the subject complement. So helping verbs has added extra information about an action. So linking verbs are used to describe or identify the subject, and whereas the helping verbs are used to express an action or state of being. Now see here, I am a teacher. So here the helping verbs play a visual role. Here it is I am a teacher. Means subject plus linking verbs and subject complement it is there. But here it is main helping verb it is there as well as main verb it is there. And to easily find out linking verb and helping verb. I hope you understood the linking verb and helping verb. If you have any problems, please comment me in the comment box. I will try to answer your comment. Thank you very much.